my God.
My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my portfolio, my biblioteca. Usain Bolt, why was your birthday so late? So in case you've been living under a rock, Usain Bolt celebrated his 30th birthday in Rio. Oh, okay. Zin, go on. He was spotted drinking and getting wasted. And at some point during the night, he was caught on this video gyrating on a local girl at some random club. Oh, come on, it's the fellow's birthday. He's allowed to live a little. Oh, the girl go on so? Like so she tried to breathe it through the denim. As the night went on, he was spotted kissing a random girl. Pick 1. Pick 2. Pick 3. I'm birthday, so what if him slip up a little and start to kiss a girl? You can show the picture again? Dang! You've heard of French kissing? Well, this right there so is patois kissing. Then after leaving the club, our sources confirmed that he spent the night with 20-year-old student JD Duarte.
Bad we bad, Gaza bad we bad.
People can lie, sir? What the proof? Well, here what? A Photoshop. You ever see Bolt with 2 eyebrows yet? You know, all of this isn't really that bad, but what bring it into a state of yes, no, Spanish town is the fact that it is alleged that him have a girlfriend back in Jamaica.
On the way. Somewhere. You don't have no more?
No, sir, Bolt. Why you have to be such an overachiever? You don't get the triple on the track already. You did have to go for the 3-peat on the field too?
1, 2, 3, 3.
The Olympic done them stop run for goal and start run for holy night. No man, them scandal ya call for Olivia Pope. But then again, she have too much man problem. So me could draw for Shaggy ya.
Wasn't me.
Well, the good thing in all of this is at least him not cheating on the track. To make matters worse, girl number 3 is alleged to be the widow of a Brazilian drug lord. And then the little tear Marina gal gone on Twitter, gone go right, that her night with Mr. Bolt was just normal. All them stylings there. How the pictures came out, you might be wondering. My girl sent them in a WhatsApp group. Well, you kinda know say that's how the thing go. You get a little sex and you run go tell your friend then.
What I did last night.
Then, to make matters worse, Bolt's girlfriend Casey go delete her Twitter account. After posting this, let me go read it for you now. Doing something I'm sure I've made fun of other people for doing. But here goes. I'm tapped out. Logging off.
Woman here, woman there, woman everywhere.
So box cover. So the Burrito sent me the screenshot of girl number 3, yeah, the little real girl there, commenting on Casey's Instagram profile. It reads, I'm sorry for everything that happened. I didn't want to share those pics, but my friend did it. Nothing special, nothing special. Why did I get the Indian accent? No, the one of them mix up here just need for go away and bury. Number 3 girl, anything you'd like to say?
You may think he is coming back to you, but I doubt it.
Wifey, what's your response?
Everybody sitting me a while.
That's right.
You see why I'm have to big up the Jamaican girl them? Because them woulda never do this to Mr. Bolt. The most them woulda do is like a blackmail and tell him to pay them rent for the whole of the year. And even that, during the time they, them a cook little food and care come give him. Cause them have to maintain the relationship and the potential for future money getting. All of this could have just been avoided if Usain Bolt did just stand in them living room, stay in at the hotel and just... But then again, that well lame, especially upon your birthday. And well, fun and joke aside, I kind of hope that this mix-up just goes away. Big up to King Usain Bolt, you're a legend, and I really hope that this don't destroy or mess up with your reputation. Them little old wicked dirty stinky. I give you the benefit of the doubt and know any decision where you make, you did fully well want go along with it and did make it out correctly. Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry show. Make sure that you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. Leave a comment below. What do you think about the entire mix-up? Alright, take care. Until next time. Oh, and make sure to say subscribe too, okay? I'm trying to go for the 100,000 subscribers now.